Hello everyone, I am Mandeep. Welcome to our M Chemistry classes. Today I am going to discuss Julia olefinaction. Julia olefinaction is a very important reaction for CSR, NET and GATE exam point of view. In Julia olefinaction, this is the phenyl sulfones and there is the acidic hydrogen on the alpha position, and first it react with the base. So base is abstract this acidic hydrogen, then this carbon act as a nucleophile, then it attack on this aldehyde, and after that acylation take place in the presence of acetic anhydride. There may be acyl chloride and benzoyl chloride and any other reagent. So we get this compound after these reactions. This is the acylation product. When these acylation product react with सोडियम अमलगम के साथ ये रिएक्ट करेगा तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे ई ओल्फिन की फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी. सो दिस इज द ई ओल्फिन. सो रिएक्शन ऑफ फिनाइल सल्फोन्स, दिस इज फिनाइल सल्फोन्स रिएक्ट विद एल्डिहाइड टू गिव ई ओल्फिन. जब ये एल्डिहाइड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा एंड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम अमलगम तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, ई ओल्फिन की फॉर्मेशन होगी इन द जूलिया ओलिफिनेशन. सो जूलिया ओलिफिनेशन इज द स्टीरियोसेलेक्टिव रिएक्शन फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ई ओल्फिन. इन जूलिया ओलिफिनेशन इन एवरी केस वी आर गेटिंग ई ओल्फिन्स. सो दिस इज द मेजर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जूलिया ओलिफिनेशन reaction. So we can say that ki Julia olefinaction is the method for the preparation of E olefins. So now we discuss the mechanism of Julia olefinaction reaction. This is the mechanism of Julia olefination reaction. This is the phenyl sulfones. This is the base, and in alpha portion there is the acidic hydrogen. So base first attack on this acidic hydrogen, and so after abstraction of the hydrogen, these electrons shift to there. Or so when this base attack on this acidic hydrogen, so their nucleophile formation take place or carbanion formation. So in this carbon alpha carbon, there is carbanion formation after hydrogen abstraction. So this carbanion act as a nucleophile. So this is act on the this aldehyde carbon, and these electrons are shift to oxygen, and we get this product when this nucleophile attack on this aldehyde. So these lone pair of oxygen is attack on this acetic anhydride, which are used for acylation. So these lone pair attack on this carbon, and these electrons shift to on this oxygen, and there is removal of acetate ion, and we get this acyl product. This is the acyl product. So then now we reduce this compound in the presence of sodium amalgam. So in the presence of sodium amalgam, there this SO2 pH group remove, and on this carbon radical formation takes place. So again when we do the reaction of this compound in the presence of sodium amalgam, then sodium is again transfer one electron to this radical, and on this carbanion formation takes place, and then these electrons are shift to in this bond, and this group is acetate group is removed from this portion, and there is removal of acetate ion, and these two R and R dash should be trans to each other, and after the removal of acetate ion we get the E olefin product. So this is the product of the Julia olefinaction. So first is the removal of the acidic hydrogen from by the base, and there is nucleophile formation on this carbon, and this nucleophile is attack on this aldehyde carbon, and we get the compound like this, and this oxygen is lone pair attack on this acetic anhydride, then we get this product, acyl product, because on this oxygen acylation take place. When we do this reaction in the presence of sodium amalgam, then radical formation on this carbon take place, and again we do the reaction further in the presence of sodium amalgam, their carbanion formation takes place, and this carbanion electron is shipped to in this bond, and this acetate ion removed from here, and we get the E olefin. So this is the R dash is the alkyl group of the aldehyde which are used, and this is the sulfones alkyl group, and both these alkyl group may be trans to each other. So this is the E olefin, our trans olefin. So we now discuss some examples of Julia olefination. In first example, this is the sulfones, phenyl sulfones, and this is the acidic hydrogen here on the alpha position. This is the base, this abstract this acidic hydrogen, then this is the benzyl aldehyde, then this attack on this benzyl aldehyde, and acylation take place, and we get this acyl compound, and in the these rings and this phenyl group of aldehyde should be trans to each other, and after reaction with in the presence of sodium amalgam we get this trans product. And next example is, this is compound and this is the Grignard agent. This is also act as a base, and this is, there is also acidic hydrogen, then this base is attack on this acidic hydrogen, this nucleophile formation, a carbanion formation takes place on this carbon, and then is react with this acid. This is the aldehyde ethanol, या this is the एसिड एल्डिहाइड के साथ ये फिर से यहाँ कार्बन अटैक करेगा, एंड फर्दर एसाइलेशन टेक प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ benzoyl chloride. So we get the product like this, then we get the acylation product. When acylation product of this reaction is further react in the presence of sodium amalgam, we get this E olefin product. This methyl group is the aldehyde, and this methyl is trans to each other. So this is E, this is also E olefins. So first we introduce the Julia olefination, then we discuss the mechanism of Julia olefination, and stereoselectivity of this reaction is that key. This is the method for the preparation of E olefins, and then we discuss the example. First example, in this example, this is the E olefin formation, and this is second example. Here is also E olefins formation take place. अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो आप हमारे एम केमिस्ट्री क्लासेस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें एंड बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दें, जिससे कि आपको हमारे चैनल की आने वाली अपकमिंग अपडेट के बारे में जानकारी मिलती रहे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.